Yes, so ons sit hier by Insimbi Reach. Dit is 'n splinternuwe ontwikkeling wat plaasvind net buite Durban in die Cato Reach omgewing. Ons het 'n vennootskap gedoen om 'n splinternuwe cool story boot te bou. Ons het 'n baie groot terminaal voor in die port genaamd FPT waar ons direkte vragte sitrus uitlaai en nou aanvullend tot dit ontwikkel ons 'n splinternuwe back of port cool store hier bo in Cato Reach vir FPT.
FPT is currently one of the biggest cold store operators in the fruit industry in the KZN area. We're in the process of expanding capacity to accommodate the growth of our own client base and therefore the investment behind us.
Met die groei wat ons gesien het in die sitrussektor met 'n 7-8% per jaar groei met die bome wat klaar in die grond is, het ons vertroue gehad om addisionele perseel te kom opsit en hierdeur gaan ons dan al jou containers direk pak wat dan afgaan na die containerterminaal toe en in die huidige FPT gaan nog steeds dan jou direkte shipments doen waar jy direk op die boot laai.
We've seen an improvement in the port of Durban, but it's way beyond below what it should have been. The biggest problem is when you pack the fruit into the containers and want to deliver it to the port. It's where the congestion is huge at Bayhead and therefore brings a huge inefficiency into the system and the costs go up because trucks can wait from 2 to 12, 24 hours. So one of the pivots for this is exactly to address rail in the future and get to the port with another means rather than just road.
Die konsep is fase 1 gaan ons nog steeds met die pad die containers van hier af binne na die containerterminaal toe vervoer. Dis so 50 km van hier af. Maar fase 2 is ons besig met as deel van die deregulering van Transnet wat privaat operateurs op die spoor gaan toelaat. Ons is deel daarvan. So ons het ons eie privaat treine wat ons dan van hierdie terminaal gaan insit af port toe. Die spoor is tradisioneel so 30% goedkoper as pad. Dit is natuurlik baie meer efficient wat jou kostespoor af te bring.
We want to enable Transnet to have 3 ways of intaking, which is with a barge from our current point facility, with a rail from a Cato Reach facility, and the road for whenever the other two don't work.
FPT gaan die intrek hier so Februarie 2027.
This facility has got frozen capability. It's got fruit, normal chilled facility, and it's got a normal multi-purpose warehouse attached to it. In terms of fruit, we expect to handle around about 150 to 180,000 pallets of frozen product a year, plus another 180 to 220 of fruit a year.